Here are the top 3 songs from February 22nd, 1987, according to America's Top 40 and Casey Kasem. Number 3. Number 2.
She said, don't give me no lines and keep your hands to yourself.
Number 1.